Hello, business one. Today we're going to talking about very important things. This is the very important class and very important things on the Google Ads, that is ad groups. So, what is actually ad groups? How does it work? And why we have to make Google ad groups? What is the necessary of ad groups? We will know all of these things at today's discussion. So, let's get started. Previous classes previous classes we were discussed about the quality score. So if I recap the summary of that class, that that is what was the quality score. Quality score is a score which is give from the Google for ranking the website. So if someone search any keywords, and then we can see there is some ads in the Google. So why uh, that ads are number one, number two, number three, and that decide from the quality score. And how quality score has been decided by the Google, that is there is a three factors. Number one factor is ad relevancy. Number two factor is CTR, and number three factor is landing page. In the landing page, as a as a Google Ads expert or as a businessman, we have not so much to do. There is very so much to do, but it's a very time relevant things. We need to. It's a technical things, developing things. So there is a lots of things to developing, but it's hard to do sometimes. But easiest thing is making increasing relevancy, and making high CTR. So if you do making high relevancy, then automatically make the high CTR. So we need to focus on it, how we can improve it, how we can get highest highest score from these two part. We need to think about it from these two parts, or these one parts. The Google ad group is important. We need to think about ad groups. So what is ad group? Ad group is, if I give you an example, then you can understand. If you go to any shop, like a fruit shop, if you saw a shopkeeper have a basket for keeping all of the fruits like apple, orange, banana, or all of the fruits are keeping in a one basket. So what do you think? But beside of another shopkeeper, uh, keep small bucket, and keep the fruits is like one bucket has apple only, and another bucket has banana only, another bucket is orange only. So what's look better? And most of the where most of the customer goes to, I think, second one, and most of the customer buy from second one, because people don't want to hassle. People buy the services or product um, um, by the money, so they don't want that they feel or they need to do any hassle for taking any services or taking any product. So here is that ad groups comes. So there is a lots of uh, services give a businessman, like uh, uh, if a uh, businessman gives the plumbing service, or heat generation service, pipe servicing, electrician servicing, that then we need to make a group another by the part of the services. uh, not even make to all the services in the same ad groups. So as a Google expert, we need to make by part each and every services one by one ad groups. So if I go to a website, then you can understand very clearly. So let's go to the search in the plumber in New York. Then I can saw a website. This is the website, and we can see this is the landing page. So we can see the services. HVAC, this is the HVAC, one services. Plumbing is another services, and service area, and this is not our service area. So there is a two. So we can make two ad groups, or if you two ad groups, that's why that's why we can fall all the services of HDAC in a ad groups, and another is all the services is plumbing is another groups, so that we can be a more specific. So this is the landing page of the HDACA, and we can uh, make ad groups for HDACA. And if you are a good marketer, then you can go more specific. Like this is the landing page UK. So the HDAC has lots of services. So we can go for more specific. So HDAC repair, we can make it for HDAC repair, another request for HVAC maintenance, another request for HVAC AC servicing, AC repair. So we can make all of this and another request. So if I make requests for AC repair, and some customer even make air groups for HDAC repair, and someone search on the Google HDAC AC repair, and then we can find our ad, and in the ad have the HG, HVAC repair, and on the description also. And so he can click on there, and he find this landing page. I hope he will be satisfied, because what he find it from them. So this is the actually we need to do as a marketer for our client or for our business. So we have to do focus on each and everything. So I hope you can understand about the ad group. So if you I break down to go to in any Google Ads account, I hope you can understand better. So if I go to any Google Ads account, then we can understand more better. So this is the account, this is the campaign, and this is the campaign. We can make lots of campaign in any account, and in the account we can make lots of ad groups. So this is the ad groups. We can make lots of ad groups uh, from a campaign. I mean in a campaign. So if I enter any campaign, uh, so we can see lots of keywords. So now in the campaign we can see lots of. the campaign, we can see lots of ad groups. So, in a ad groups, what we can see. So if we create a campaign, then we can understand how actually create a ad groups. So if we select something, okay, search, click, start now. If we select something, after that, this is the ad group actually. This is the from the ad group. This is the actual ad group. So all of these keywords, uh, keywords, I could say next keywords, ads, headline description, each and everything is included from the ad groups. So this is the actual ad groups we have to make, and we are made from here. And if we make ad groups relatively headline and description, then our ad relevancy will be increased, so that we can get better quality score. So if we get better quality score, then we can save our budget, uh, save our wasted budget. So how actually you make ad groups from any website? So if we go to any website, I just tell you, that is, if you go to any website, we can see there is a lot of services. So we will make by services ad groups. So this is the important things. I hope it's very important things. I hope you can understand what is actually ad groups, how it is made, and what's the importance of the ad groups. So I hope you will use these all of the options for your products and make better relevancy and save your wasted budget. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have any problem or feel any confusion about this video or about this discussion, then you can talk me in the comment section. And if you feel that you need to more understand, then you can personally knock me on the WhatsApp. I keep the WhatsApp number on the description. And if you need any help, any kind of help for your business, for your marketing section, then you can talk to me on the WhatsApp. I will try to solve each and everything for your business. So that's it